Hey guys, what's up? This is Kevin from jazztime.com, and today I have for you one of Rolex's pieces that isn't too well known, but I feel like it should be, and that is the Cellini date. This is from Rolex's dress watch collection. The model number for this is 50515. And man, I'm very excited to show you guys about this watch today because it's a very simple to the point watch. Not only that, it is a gorgeous timepiece that shines when just wearing it out, whether it be casual or for an important meeting. This watch will definitely be an eye catcher. So about the dial itself, it's very elegant, as you can see here, from the double bezel, which is fluted on the outside right here, and the dome bezel in the inner right here, and this is all set on a 39mm case, and it has a sleek casting of 18 karat Everose gold adorned on the case, and the hour markers, as you can tell there if I shine in the light. Look at that glisten. All right, it also has a subsidiary dial, which is right here on the right, which displays the date. And you would think with this dial it would be a little bit busy or a little bit clustered, but actually Rolex made it very nice and kept it very compact and sleek. All right, so another thing about the dial, the color, as you can tell from the video, it's a black dial. It's a black dial with a guilloche style patterning. If I turn the watch here and I kind of shine it against the light, you can see that pattern right there. Perfect. And not only does this in black, but it also comes in white as well. The movement is mechanical self-winding movement, which I personally prefer because after strapping this watch on, there's a certain satisfaction to giving the watch a good wind before starting the rest of your day, kind of like having a cup of coffee in the morning. Not to say that you need to wind this watch every day, as it does have an approximately 48-hour power reserve. With this said, watch is COSC certified. Also, please don't take this watch with you swimming, as it's only waterproof to the depth of about 50 meters or 165 feet. Moving on to the strap is a simple embroidered stitched alligator leather strap, and yes, that is genuine alligator, as it is embroidered there. And you also have the Rolex name right here. Here's the case as well. As you can see, it's fluted around the outside there. It's just a dome casing, and it is a black leather strap, black leather alligator strap. Okay, the buckle itself right here is also adorned in that 18 karat Everose gold. All right, let me go ahead and show you this watch on my wrist. So give me 1 second here while I do that. All right. Apologize. There we are. Let me just look at that watch. I absolutely love this watch. It's so very simple, yet it is actually a very refined watch. And if you do want to check out more of this watch, take a look at the link below, or check out our website at jazztime.com. You can search the model number. Once again, that was 50515. I apologize. And we guarantee the lowest prices with free shipping, a 1-year warranty. If you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe below, as we'll be putting out more videos. And thank you guys very much for watching. I hope to see you guys soon.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page, where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in jazz time, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.